everyone that is watching. My name is Eduardo Sanchez Somoza, and today I'm going to discuss with you technological risks and danger. My first point I want to clear is cyber crimes or cyber criminals. What are these people? They are also known as hackers, crackers, cyber offenders, maybe even international threats with just the tool that is their laptop or personal computer or PC. Cybercrime is defined as a crime in which a computer or a tech device is the object of the crime. It's also another way of calling technological offenses, as I already said. Cybercriminals are also known as hackers or crackers. Their most used weapon, if you want to call it like that, are computers. Most of the time, they use their abilities as a source to get and trade personal information, such as bank accounts, addresses, etc. All of this for a malicious purpose. When I say their most used weapon, I'm not just talking about computers. I also mean that they use cell phones, they use pen drives, they use cameras, they use routers, they use private and public internet. I mentioned hackers and crackers. What's the difference between this? As you can see in this picture, I'm describing hacker in a white setting and cracker in a black setting. That's how most people would describe them, because a hacker is a person that uses their technological abilities, knowledge, and advances towards a positive way. When a cracker does it, it's for a malicious purpose only. They use the trade of personal information. They make the wrong settings with everyone. They trade information. They blackmail people, and they use this against other person or even corporations or enterprises. This is the simplest way to put it out. As you can see, a hacker is a person that uses his or her computer for just personal purposes, maybe even getting money. And he's described with glasses, like an intellectual person. When a hacker does it, he's personalized with a thing that's covering his eyes, just like criminals do, so that he won't get recognized. The reason he doesn't want to get recognized is because he's doing something bad. He's doing something malicious. Uh, Also, the dangers of technological information and operations are social media. I have three questions for all of you. How safe do you think you really are? I mean, when you're browsing about on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Do you share personal information? This is related to the first question. Do you think in Messenger, when you send your current location or your bank accounts, that's only going to stay there? Do you think you're really that safe? And the third question is also related with the two above. Are privacy settings really enough? When you are personalizing your privacy settings, they let you know which people can find them or not. But it doesn't say that your friends can't find that information or that they can't share it. You have to think this before you do anything. Because if you don't think this, if you don't feel confident with this, then you're just waiting to be hacked, to be cracked, or just to be exposed. These are some of the social media I was talking to you about: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and YouTube. This is just some few examples. In the next picture, I have a lot of examples, and you can see that maybe some of them you know and maybe some of them you don't. But every single one of them is hackable because they're created by people. They're created by humans. Everything that humans do is something that can be corrupted. It's something that can be mistreated. It's something that can be corrupted, as I was saying. I want you to keep yourself informed. and safe. Because danger is everywhere. You only need to know how to protect yourself and keep yourself updated on information that is released every day. I hope you learned a thing or two. In conclusion, hacking is everywhere. People are getting smarter by the day. They are only gonna destroy your life if they can. Your personal information, once you post it on social media, is never safe again. You will never know whether you have your friends' accounts safe, whether your friends' accounts can be hacked, because it's not even yours only. If you get hacked, other people can see your conversations, your trading of information with other people. And that's the same case with if your friends get hacked, their conversations with you can be seen. So keep in mind that everything is a target. Everyone is a target. Whether you want to believe it or not, you are someone that can be hacked. You're someone with something valuable for someone else. So I want you to think twice before you send your current location, before you tell someone you're going to be away from the weekend. I know, like, I want you to think even phone calls can be traced, can be hacked. So if we are not safe live stream, how can we be safe with someone that stays there forever? How can we be safe with something, with a lot of things that will never be erased? Because when you erase a conversation, it doesn't get fully destroyed. It doesn't get recycled or deleted. It gets shrinked and turns into a little file that you can actually hack to open again and see. Once you take a picture, you don't even have to send it. You will never have the power in your hands to delete that picture again. This is a Matrix code. I wanted to use it as a reference because in the Matrix movie, they talk about people that was trying to get technological advances way ahead of their age and way ahead of their time. They couldn't control it, just as we can't control what our information or where our information gets. It's a simple analogy that I want you to think on and that I want you to, I don't know, maybe I just want you to think twice before you do something that can destroy your life in a matter of seconds. Thank you. That's all from my part. This is my references. And in conclusion, that's it. Thank you pretty much.